Good morning, all. How are you? So, last day we finished the definition of excretion and the different excretory products and the organs that are associated with it. Today we have to start about the structure of urinary system. So, do you remember which are the excretory products that are excreted through urinary system? One is urea, is it? And also excess salts, excess water, all these are excreted through kidneys. Kidney will filter it and then it will be excreted. So anyway, we must start off with the structure, different parts. Okay. So you can see here in page 156, it is 156. Okay. You can start here, see, we have two kidneys which are located on either side of our spinal cord deep inside, because kidneys are one of the most important organs in our body, so it must be protected properly. So it is a deep inside. Okay, so there are two kidneys and you can see both the kidneys, there is a red blood vessel and a blue color, is it? The red colored blood vessel is giving oxygenated blood to the kidney. So it is known as renal artery. You can see here. And then the blue color means it contains deoxygenated blood. It is known as renal vein, which is taking the deoxygenated blood from the kidney. Okay. So renal artery and renal vein. And then the renal artery is supplied oxygenated blood from the main blood vessel, that is aorta, and the deoxygenated blood from the renal vein, it is going to the main vein, that is vena cava. Then next is, there is left kidney and right kidney. You can see from each kidney a tube is passing out. That tube is known as ureter. Have you seen the ureter? And actually the ureters are carrying the urea, excess water or the filtered waste from the kidneys, because kidneys are filtering out the waste from the blood and those waste are passing through the ureters and then along with the water it will be stored here, that is the urinary bladder. It's a muscular structure, and when the bladder is filled, then it will be, the urine will be passed out through the urethra. You can see that there is a sphincter muscle which is, it's by the contraction of that one, this will be, the urine will be passed out. So this is the structure of urinary system. Okay. Now, if you take the structure of one kidney, you can see here, kidney has a dark colored outer structure that is known as cortex. You can see there, cortex. And then the inner side is, it is lightly colored, it is known as medulla. So parts of urinary system and then parts of kidney, this is cortex is the outer structure, okay, which is darkly colored, and medulla is the inner structure which is lightly colored. And then you can see nephron. Have you seen? Nephron means it is the filtering unit in the kidney. There are millions of nephrons in the kidney. These nephrons are doing the function of filtering out the waste from the blood. Okay. Then that after filtering out the waste, this will be given to this part, that is the pelvis, and pelvis, from the pelvis it is going down through the ureter, through the tube. Okay. So if we start off with the parts of urinary system, there are two kidneys and then you can see then ureter, and then urinary, bladder, then urethra. And kidneys are supplied with oxygenated blood with renal artery, and the deoxygenated blood is taken out through renal vein. Okay. Now if you take the detailed structure of each kidney, the parts are cortex, outer side cortex, then medulla. The cortex and medulla contains a lot of filtering units. Each filtering unit, it is known as, what is it? The filtering unit, it is known as nephron, and the nephron, it is distributed. Some parts of the nephron is in the cortex and some part is in the medulla. So the filtering units are known as nephron. Then the filtered waste, it is going to the pelvis, and from the pelvis it is going down to the ureter. Okay, so kidneys, the outermost structure cortex, then inner side is medulla, and here is the nephron, then it is pelvis and ureter. Okay, so these are the structures of urinary, parts of urinary system and kidney. So you have in your syllabus, it is like identify the parts of urinary system and also identify and label the parts of kidney. These are there.